Welcome students. Today we will discuss the binary logic in the lecture series of digital system design. Remember that thing, the binary logic always deals with the two discrete value. Always the possibility of two discrete value. And it is obviously in number system we can say it is 0 or 1, or you can say yes or no, or true or false. Means the quantity which have only two values are possible, it will be look as a binary logic or discrete value. Remember that thing, these two value, the variable may take called the different names as I suggested, but for the purpose of conveniency, in the terms of bit, we assign the value binary 1 and 0 for our digital system design, which is described in mathematical way, which can be useful to manipulate and processing of the binary information for designing any digital circuit. Remember that thing, the binary logic to be introduced here to equivalent to the algebra called Boolean algebra. This Boolean algebra is in rules of binary logics for a different logical concept. So Boolean algebra, the formal, remember that thing, the two valued Boolean algebra, which we discuss later on in the same lecture series. So the purpose is that to introduce here, because we want to start with the simple definition of binary logic. Remember the thing is, the binary logic consists of two binary variables and logical operation. When we say that what are the main parameters of binary logic? So always the first is that it is a binary variable. And these binary variables, normally we assign such as alphanumeric code A, B, C, or small letter also allowed like as a X, Y, Z. So binary variable is assigned to the part of the circuit. It might be input, outputs, or any intermediate parameters. And second thing is that the logical operation. Logical operation is differ from the mathematical operation, which you understood that things after the covering this topic. Remember that thing, the logical operation is different parameters, but here the variable have only two values are possible, 0 and 1, while logical operators are operate this variable and generate some logical result. Normally basic logical operations are AND, OR, and NOT. Today we will discuss only these three parameters. These are the basic logical operation. Whatever the variable operated by logical operation and it generates some result. Like suppose we will discuss today AND first. So remember that thing, this operation is represented by dot or in the absence of operator. Okay. So operators are dot or no operator. Like suppose I want to say that the ending of these two, example like as X dot Y. So this is AND operator. Or we can say that X Y equal to Z. Z is equal to X dot Y or XY. In any way, we can represent the AND operation. This is called as a X and Y is equal to Z. Remember that thing. Okay. And in simple word, we can say that the Z equal to, what is the meaning of this AND operation? So Z equal to 1 if and if and only if remember that thing, if and only if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, else z equal to 0. Okay, so remember that thing, in the meaning is that only the z equal to 1 is possible when the both variable x and y, both input variable are 1, then and then the z is equal to 1. Here one table I want to explain, that in the truth table. Truth table is a, note down that thing please, a truth table is a table of all possible combinations of variable at input side, showing the relation between the value all that variables may take and the result of operation. I just repeat it, truth table is the table of all possible combinations of variables showing the relation between the values that variable may take. So here how many variables, input variables, that input is x and y, two inputs are there, x and y, and output is z. Okay, so here it says that the table which we done here, so x and y, x dot y equal to z. So truth table says that all the possible combination of variables showing the relation, here relation between x and y is that. So all the relations which we have to cover and find out or obtain the result in each and every combinations. So here x and y both are binary variables, so only two values are possible, 0 and 1. So first we will take the both are 0, 0. And as per the definition, only in one condition the z, else z is equal to 0. Second possibility is that the variable x is 0 and y is 1. But here as per the definition of AND logic, it is again 0. The third combination is possible, x is 1, y is 0, but as per the definition again the output is 0. Only the last combination is such that when the both input are 1, 1, only one combinations are remaining, because 2 input 2 raised to 2, 4 combinations are possible. So 1, 1 and 1, this is the as per the definition, and logic is such that. Okay, remove that thing. So this truth table is for AND logic. So we have just learned today first AND logic. Next logic is that the OR logic. What is the meaning of the OR logic? The operation is represented by plus sign. The sign is used plus. Remember that thing, this is not an addition, it is OR logic is that. Whenever you just make the digital circuits, there is a big difference between the addition operational and logical operations. Remember that thing. OR and plus both have a sign, plus sign, but the logical operation is something different, and arithmetic operation is something different. Here, to show that, normally we written that x or y equal to z. In this way we can represent, which is read as a x or y is equal to z. How we can read out? X or y is equal to z. Okay, it is not written like as x plus y is equal to z. It is x or y is equal to z. Boolean algebra logical operation, there is never plus sign is that. Note down that thing, it will be helpful for any solving any digital system problem. So the as per this definition, the simple meaning is that z equal to 1 if x is equal to 1 or y equal to 1. Okay, or both x is equal to y equal to 1. else z equal to 0. Which combination? When x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0. I am telling and means the value must be both are 0, then and then only z equal to 0. So truth table of this OR gate, again here there is a two input x, y and one output z. So as per the definition, all the input combinations, let us we start with the 0 0, both are 0 0. So 0 0, the z is 0. Any one input is 1, the output is 1. Okay, both 1, so obviously the output is 1. Here one thing is not down that things here, 1 plus 1 in this combination, or please remember that thing whenever you just learn that things, this combination, last combination is very important, because in the previous all numbering system you understood that thing, the 1 plus 1 equal to 1 0. In binary, this is the plus sign. Plus sign is. But if it is OR, 1 this one equal to 1, so it is read out that 1 or 1 equal to 1. It is not a plus sign. Remember that thing. 1 or 1 equal to 1. But when in arithmetic, 1 plus 1 equal to 1 0. So this big difference is that when we say that the 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0, while binary logic have a 1 or 1 equal to 1. Okay, this is very important parameter. Most of the students are making mistake here. So remember that thing, the OR logic 1 or 1 equal to 1. It is not a 1 0. But 1 plus 1 arithmetic operation, it will become 1 0. It is used in binary plus sign arithmetic operation. This is binary logical operations are there. Now the third and important is that operator is not logic. Not logic is say that it is indicated by bar or dash sign, like as z is equal to x dash or z is equal to x bar. Okay, dash or bar, any one combination is used there. It is read out that x not is equal to z. Whatever the value of x is not possible, it is equal to z. Okay, meaning is that, let's see in the truth table, NOT gate means only one input and output is 1. So there is only two values are possible, 0 or 1. If x is equal to 0, so what is the x not equal? The second value is possible 1. And if x is equal to 1, what is the remaining value is possibility 0. So the 0, 1, and if the x is 0, then output is 1. Okay. In other words, we can say that if x is equal to 1, then z equal to 0. But if x is equal to 0, then z equal to 1. Remember that thing, the binary logical reassemble binary arithmetic operation and AND operation or OR operation have a similarity, multiplication and addition sign. But symbols used for AND and OR are the same as those used for multiplication and addition. However, it is not same thing. A binary logic should not be confused with the binary arithmetic consist value. As I shown that the sign is same, but the arithmetic operation is result something different, while the logical operation have a different results. The operation AND OR variable with x and y obtained by listing these all possible values. A value may have been combined in pairs and the result of operation is listed here. In AND logic, when both input are 1, the result is 1, else the result is 0. In OR logic, both input are 0, the result is 0, else result is always 1. While in NOT gate, whatever the value of X, it is complement or second value is possibility. 0, so NOT is 1, X is 1, so X dash is equal to 0. It is indicated by X dash or X plus X bar. OR logic is symbol plus, same plus sign is there, while AND logic is that dot or there is no symbol. So this table clearly demonstrated the definition of the operation of binary logic. So now finally we understood that thing, the main two logical operations AND and OR, the use of binary variable and the application of binary logic are demonstrated by simple switching circuit. Let us understood that things. In AND logic, we shown that when both input are 1, then and then the output is 1. So in the switching circuit, suppose as you know that the switch is available at your home in different room. When I will switch on, the bulb is on. When I will put switch off, the bulb is off. To understood this binary logic, let's take two switch. One is switch X and second one is a switch Y. Okay, we can say that this is my switch X and Y, and I connect it with the voltage supply. Suppose my voltage supply is there 230 or whatever that thing. And what I will do, I will just put here one bulb. This is the symbol of bulb. It is known as a lamp, or you can say that it's a lamp. What happens when switch is open? Means 0. 0 is say that switch is open. Logic. And if 1 means that switch is on. Here the bulb is only on whenever the whole closed systems we obtain. Okay. Whenever the current is passed. If X is open, switch is open, what happens? If X and Y, X is open, Y is open, what is the condition of lamp? Lamp is off because the current cannot be flow. If Y is on, switch on condition, what I will do? I will put this on condition. What happens? And X is similarly open, 0, 1, open, on. Y is closed circuit, but due to the X is open, the current cannot be flow here, so bulb cannot be get any electricity. That means the bulb is in off condition. Okay. In the similar way, suppose X is on and Y is open. But due to this open circuit here, the current cannot be flowing this way and bulb will become off. Now which combination is remaining? Last one. Both are 1, 1. Means both are on. This switch is also closed. This switch is also closed. So now you can say that the here current pass, and bulb will become glow. Okay. So this is called as a series switching circuit. When two switch X and Y are in series, it is working like as AND logic. Remember that thing? Okay. Now let us see what about the OR gate. How the OR gate switching can be worked. Suppose I have a one supply. Same thing is that. For OR gate there is require parallel circuit. Two switch. This is our X switch, this is our Y switch. And bulb is connected here. Now, it is called as a parallel circuit. Okay, both are connected parallel. This is called as a series, this is called as a parallel switch. Now, the two switch are there, X and Y. And our lamp position we want to find out that thing. Suppose the both are open. X is open, Y is open, so current cannot be flow in this direction. Current cannot be flow from the Y switch because bridge is open. Simply say that suppose there is no path here. So can we pass from this river? No, there is no bridge. Both are bridge are open. Bridge are not in okay condition. Similarly, electron cannot be passed here. This supply. So bulb is in off condition. Now let's see. Suppose anyone. Let's discuss the Y is closed. Y switch is on, while the X is equal to it's still open. So what is happen? Electron will be passed in this direction. And bulb will become glow. Because whatever the current is required to bulb, it will be passed from this closed circuit and bulb will become on. In reverse, we can say that my Y switch is open and X is closed. Okay, X is on condition. So in this direction also current will be passed from this one, above path. It will not pass from here, it will pass from this direction and again the bulb will become on. The aim is that the bulb requires the current only. Whatever, it may be passing from X path or it may be passing from Y path. In both the condition, the bulb will on because the bulb finally getting the current from this source. So remember that thing in this way, the bulb is getting source from X or Y. So its logic name is OR gate. So when both switches are on, the half of current flow from here and finally again in this condition the bulb obviously it is on condition. So switch in parallel, it is known as a logical OR gate. And switch in series, it is called as a logical AND gate. So in this way, we can understood the logic of AND and OR in the form of electrical digital circuit. So we can compare the behavior like as a gate is behave like as a switching, AND operation is series connection, or operation is in parallel connection. So in this way we can understood the binary logical operation in form of switching circuit. I hope is it making sense and you have got the idea about the definition of binary logic and main two binary operations and OR are different from arithmetic operation and how the switching series equivalent to and how the parallel switching is equivalent to the OR gate. Have a good day. Thank you.